today? Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, it's not Life with Bilsif?
No. Well, they know it's Life with Bilsif, but I say, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel now.
Welcome back.
Yeah. So we're back at Trevor's again. And he's working on the 240.
Now I'm standing here.
Almost got her done. Got to do some wiring. Just mounted in the fuse panel down there. Look at that, baby.
Gotta pull all this old wiring out still.
Decent. Little Dominator X.
No, Terminator X.
Terminator X, I meant. Little Terminator X.
See the rad?
Yeah, I see the rad in the back. That's pretty awesome.
So you gotta mount all the fueling stuff back.
Look at the ram air on this thing. On the windows, he made it ram air. Look at. Hey, freaking right. Holes in the back so the wind blows right through her. Careful.
There's gonna be lots of aluminum in there. So I'm actually gonna cut. I don't want to show him that, but whatever. Gonna cut this out and it's gonna ram all the air actually into the rad, and then it's gonna be sealed off from the cab.
That's a good idea. Yeah, that'll look awesome.
Yeah.
But Trevor's got his new turbos on.
Just replacement turbos.
Just replacement turbos, that's right. Look at them. Maybe we'll get a chance here and maybe you might do a burnout. What do you think? Somebody's looking for fuel, maybe. Oh, look at this guy. What do you got? Ah, yes, you do. The good
Still
stuff.
fuel in there. I'd rather more than none.
Give her a drinky poo.
Yeah, she's thirsty. You're good at that.
You are good at that.
Hole.
You didn't even drop a drip.
That's why I got kids.
That's how you got kids?
Why, because you're a perfect shot?
Yeah, buddy.
Fuel in the hole, kids out of the hole.
Careful.
He's careful.
Oh, that thing will hold a lot of fuel. What's this good for, like 20 minutes of driving?
Yeah, probably.
So I heard you're going to take this down to the park this year.
Yeah, right.
Friggin' right. Oh, yeah.
I guess we could do a small one.
Oh, Trevor might do a burnout for us. Nothing like a little burnout.
Nothing like getting the cops.
Well, you are on private property.
Yeah, and I am going into the shop.
Yeah, so, you
I was
know,
just trying to get it in the shop.
too bad for them, really. I don't even think you need a steering wheel, do you?
I need my trans brake.
Oh, look, you already sprayed her. She's wet. Doors coming down. To get up the temperature. Buddy. Woo! Can you see? Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Well, there you are. And you see you get out of the car.
That's not good for the old lungs.
Oh, yeah, that's good stuff right there. Friggin' right.
Ugh. I couldn't see shit falling in.
Well, there goes a good chunk of rubber. It's ready to hook now.
Oh, yeah.
Well, she sounds very happy, that's for sure. Sounds like you don't have to do much tuning to that.
It's only 12 pounds of loose. It's only 12 pounds. It's crazy.
Thanks for the burnout, Trev.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Pretty sick.
I can't wait to go racing. I'll tell you that right now.
Filled the shop full of smoke, you did.
I didn't even do the burnout in the shot.
She rolled in with you. Nothing like a good smell. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's been a lot of power for 12 pounds of loose.
She feels like a lot of power, does it? Got anything to tell anybody? Got anything to tell anybody? Look the F out, he says. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we definitely do something for all that smoke. Yeah.
Anyways, that was pretty awesome. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And check out TCTuned.
For all your clown world tune-ups.
Friggin' right.
At the tune-up.
Anyways, have a good night. And we'll see you on the next one. And don't stop stopping.